Hi Mabita, my topic is about system view of operation management. Every business organization go through certain operations and managing such operations is called as the operation management. System view is nothing but the overall view of the operation is called as the system view of operation management, and the system view of operation management consists of three major parts, that is input, transformation process and output. Input has five major categories, that are, it is also called as five aims of the management, that is men, material, machine, method and money. Men are nothing but the labor. Labor play a vital role in the organization, and without labor the organization cannot exist and work efficiently. Raw material. Every product based company should have efficient raw material to meet the daily demand of the product, and the machine which are used to convert the raw material into finished goods also play a vital role in the organization. Every business organization has its own methodology to convert a raw material into a finished goods. And the last one is the money, which play a major role in every organization, even the business and non-business organization too. So every organization should have a sufficient amount of capital even to buy a raw material or to purchase a machinery or to extend their business. And there are three major types of input. They are external resources, market resources and primary resources. External resources consist of four major parts, that is legal, economic, social and technological. Legal is every product that are produced by an organization should follow certain rules and regulations that are provided by the government. It should not work extend to the rules which are provided by the government. Next one is the economic. Every product should be cost effective to the consumer who purchase and use them. And social is nothing but the product which are produced should not be harmful to the consumer who use it. And technological, in the modern era the technology has developed to a greater extent, and the product produced by an organization should meet out and compete with the technology. The second one is market resources. Market resources consist of three parts, that is competition, customer desire, product information. Competition play a vital role for demand and supply of a product. Without competition there will not be any sale or purchase of a product. If there is a competition in a market for the product, there will be a higher demand for such product. And customer desire, the product that are produced by an organization should only based on the customer desire, not extend to the customer desire. So different customer have different desire, so towards their desires the product should be manufactured. And every product's whole process of the information should be provided by the organization. The organization should maintain a level of transparency to the customer who are purchasing their product. And the third one is primary resources. Primary resources consist of material, that is raw material, personnel. Every labor should work for the head, and such head or such person who manages the human resources is called as personnel. And capital is nothing but the money which are essential for the organization. And utilities is nothing but the machine or methods like that. The second one is the transformation process. Transformation process is nothing but converting the input into the output, that is raw material into a finished goods is called as the transformation process. Transformation consists of six major types, that is physical, locational service, exchange service, storage service, other private service and government service. Physical service is nothing but the manufacturing of a certain product, that is converting a raw material into a finished good. After converting a raw material into finished good, it should be transported from the area of production to the area of sales so that the organization can meet the profit or loss, and that is called as the locational service. And every product produced by an organization will be in a bulk quantity, which a customer cannot buy the whole thing, so that the goods produced by an organization cannot be directly distributed to the customer. There are certain people who involved in the transaction, like retailers and the wholesaler. These are called as the exchange service, and the purchasing of a product in a bulk should be stored in a proper place to reduce the defect and reduce the damage of a product. So it is called as a storage service. And private service like insurance, which help us in reducing the unexpected damage for a product like fire, flood, etc. And government services is nothing but the license for a company and like that. Next is importance of the transformation process. Importance of transformation is process is nothing but every product that is produced and at every stage of certain product should add amount of value. Like when you purchase a cotton for rupees 40, the cotton is converted into yarn, then the yarn price should be greater than the cotton, like 50 or 60. Likewise, every stage should add value for a product, and each product should be cost effective. The total value of a cost should be minimum. Final thing is the output. After the transformation process, we get the final product or final thing of a raw material, that is goods and services. Goods is nothing but the product which are grown for their own purpose, and service which are provided to others is called as a service. There are two types of output, that is direct and indirect. Direct is the product and services. Indirect is the waste, pollution and technological advances. Like when we produce a product, there will be a wastage of certain product, and it may lead to some pollution to the environment, and there will be advance in the technologies. And for example, if we take cotton, the cotton can be converted into yarn in yarning process, and then spinning, then weaving and finishing. Finishing product leads to a finished fabric or a whole product like shirt, pants, like that. And for services, if a teacher teaches the student, the knowledge gained by the students or the output. So for services, the gained knowledge is the output, and for the goods, the final product is the output. Thank you.